Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Hajar, and in today's video I want to show you how to apply an eyelid tape with a winged eyeliner on hooded eyes. In case you don't know what hooded eyes are, hooded eyes can be like any eye shape with excess skin. The excess skin is basically called the hood, and it sits on top of your mobile lid. They are nothing weird or a problem here. They're just making your makeup application a bit challenging, and that is why I'm here, and I'm going to show you how to apply an eyelid tape to create more lid space and to apply your eyeliner easily. In case you're interested in this makeup look, it's called the Espresso Makeup by Hailey Bieber, and it's trending. It's a beautiful, cozy, decent fall look, I'd say, and I have a short tutorial on my channel. I've uploaded it by the time this video is up, so you maybe can check it out and let me know whether you like it. First important step is to clean your eyelids to make them free of dust and oil. I'm using a regular makeup remover without oil. So I have like thicker ones. They look oval, but they are already cut in half, and I'm going to use half of that because I don't think I need the whole shape. So the placement is important. I'm going to look relaxed into a mirror, and I slightly close my eyes and apply the lid tape on this fold on my lid, which you can see. So this is basically here in the middle. And I'm going to apply this and stick it with the Y fork onto my lid. And use that, stick it with the Y fork and press it into my eye socket. I think it looks great for a non-permanent solution. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section, but I think it is a huge difference, and you obviously can see it. Now I'm going to do the same with the other eye. Just close it and then apply this with the Y fork onto my eye socket. And I think when you apply makeup now, it will be much easier, especially when you're going to apply a winged eyeliner. It is going to be much easier because the fold here is not going to interfere with our winged eyeliner, and that is what I'm going to show you next. And I'm not going to apply concealer, although I would like. The thing is, if I apply concealer, you can see the contour around it. I don't know whether it is with this eyelid tape I got. It doesn't have any brand, but they all looked the same to me on the internet, to be honest. But I think maybe out there are better ones, so you might read the reviews like I did. But I feel like when I apply this with concealer, you can see its contour, you can see the shape, and that is not what we want, right? That is why I'm going to skip it and stay with the shade I have on my lid, because it matches to the eyelid tape the most. But what I'm going maybe to do to maybe even it out a bit, I'm going to use the eyeshadow from the Tarte lid palette. It's called Smarty Pants. It's a nude shade, nude brownie shade. I'm going to apply that like a bit on top and around. If you have better eyelid tapes, then maybe you can work with concealer too. But to be honest, it just didn't work. I tried it so often and they just didn't look good, so I thought just skip it and apply a bit of eyeshadow on top, and that's it. And if you don't have crazy discolorations on the lid, it's going to work really. Okay, so I'm going to apply my eyeliner next with the help of these tapes. We're going to see whether it will make a difference, whether it is easier to apply your eyeliner with the eyelid tapes. So I'm going to look straight again, like I always do when I do eyeliner tutorials on my eyes. And so now I can see I have more space here in the outer part, which is good. The trick really is to look relaxed, don't raise your brows, and to keep your eyes slightly open when you apply your eyeliner to be able to determine the thickness of your eyeliner. On hooded eyes, the less lid space you have, it is better to make your lines narrow and thin instead of thick and bold. That's why it's the key basically to an uncrooked, even winged eyeliner. And if you're wondering what eyeliner I'm using the Catrice 24-hour brush eyeliner, it is called, I think. Yeah, brush liner, and it's a long-lasting one. The good thing about this one is it has a very thin wand or brush. I don't know whether you can see it. Here you go. See, it's very thin and precise. And that's what we're going to need for our eyeliner. So the first dot I'm going to make is here on top of the outer edge of my eye, and the other one is I'm going to make like this long of a winged eyeliner, and then I'm going to connect these two lines. And now I'm going to connect this line to my upper lash line, and I'm going to create a third dot here on top of my eyelid. And while my eyes are slightly open, I'm going to connect these. And connect it, and now I'm going to fill in. Also while keeping my eyes open, and then I'm going to slightly close them to fill in any gaps, you know. So now when you close your eyes, see there's a gap. You just fill it in. We need to even out the application. So going to apply very thin strokes by just stamping the brush onto my lid up until the inner corner. And as you can see, I have eyeliner on my lashes now. No problem. I'm going to clean this, and I'm going to continue applying evening out my eyeliner by just connecting the strokes better, and voila, basically nearly done. It doesn't need to always be sharp because we can correct it with a cotton pad and a makeup remover. Okay. So guys, this is the winged eyeliner with the tapes on, and I think the application process was much easier than applying it without the tapes. So if you really deal with extreme hooded eyes, I think this is the solution. So if you know me well by now, you know that I'm a sucker for smoked out winged eyeliners, and that is why I'm going to apply eyeshadow on top of my eyeliner using this angled eyeliner brush or brow brush. I'm going to apply a dark brown shade on top of this just to blend it out or smudge it. Just have to be precise. Don't smudge or blend crazily, just really small dabbing motions with the eyeliner. See, it looks already smoked. You can go over the whole liner if you want to, especially if the eyeliner on top of your upper lash line didn't turn out that even. You could go on top and smoke it out and it will just look like it is even. So as you can see, I'm back with my eyeliner on both eyes, and I have applied concealer just beneath my winged eyeliner to make it look more clean. Look to further push the eyelid tapes into the background. We now apply false lashes. You can go for dramatic ones, but the thing is, you don't see your eyeliner then. It's basically pointless. I have dramatic ones which are so full. I mean, you can see it obviously if your eyes are closed and if your eyes are slightly open. But when your eyes are open, I feel like it just doesn't make sense to apply your eyeliner if they're thick and voluminous, to me at least, to my eye shape. I feel like the more natural ones look better when I have winged eyeliner on. And I'm using this one by Kiss. It's one of my favorites, called My Lash But Better. They have different designs from this series. Okay, now I'm going to place the false lashes in the center of my lid. And you should trim it if it's too long. And yeah, that's basically what I love about these lashes, guys, is they have a very thin lash band, so it makes them really invisible on top of your natural lash line. I always press them to make them blend well into my own lashes. So guys, this is the end result, and I have to say it looks good, and it was somehow easy if my tapes were of better quality. So in case you know better tapes that stick better, then let me know in the comment section. I really didn't expect this to happen, since on my last tutorial it did really work well. I don't know what the reason was. So this time what we have learned with all the trouble we went through is that you can apply the tapes, especially if they do not stick well, better without any makeup on top of your lid. I do have eyeshadow on, but since it's powder, I think it doesn't affect the stickiness of the tape that much. And also I think it looks better on the skin. It looks like a fold on the skin instead of applying the makeup, because that is what I experienced in my last tutorial. It did stick well, but when I applied concealer and eyeshadow on, you could see the edges of the lid tape, and I didn't really like that. And it does make your job of applying a winged eyeliner a little easier, I have to say. So guys, I just took off the eyelid tapes, and I have to say, when I look relaxed, my eyeliner, the winged eyeliner, starts to look crooked again. That means the eyelid tapes did a great job into preventing that. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what content you would want me to record for the next upload. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the bell notification to not miss out on every weekend's upload. Thank you very much and have a nice weekend.